Imagine transforming your workflow with tools that are both efficient and revolutionary. What if you had a storage solution that adapts to your needs, keeping everything right at your fingertips while enduring the toughest conditions? Or a cutting tool featuring a unique mechanism that allows you to change blades in a snap, just like a guns magazine. What could these incredible tools be? These are just two of the amazing innovations we'll explore today. Stick around as we dive into the coolest ToughBuilt tools that are changing the game. Whether you're on a job site or out for a long day, the ToughBuilt StackTech cooler can be a reliable, customizable storage. It is perfect for those who need both performance and durability. Its self-aligning top and auto-locking system makes stacking with other StackTech products a breeze. With just a slide of a switch, you can unlock the stack and access your cooler, which features a center latch for easy, one-handed use. This 15-liter cooler can hold up to 18 cans, and the thick insulation keeps everything cold for up to 30 hours. Inside, there's a clear dry goods tray, so you can keep snacks or personal items separate from the main compartment. Plus, the built-in bottle opener on the front is a nice touch after a long day. With armored corners, IP65 dust and water protection, and quick-release accessory rails, this cooler is built to handle tough environments. If you're looking to free up space in your truck bed while keeping your tools secure, the ToughBuilt StackTech cargo carrier is the perfect solution. Designed to hold two StackTech toolbox stacks up to 32 inches high, it locks everything in place, ensuring your tools stay secure during transport. With a 500-pound weight capacity, it's built to handle heavy loads with ease. What makes it even more convenient is that it folds away when not in use, so it won't take up unnecessary space. Plus, it comes with built-in tie-down points and includes two ratchet straps, making sure your stacks are fully secured while you're on the move. Compatible with 2-inch class 3/4 hitch receivers, it's ready for almost any vehicle setup. Whether you're heading to a job site or just need more room, this cargo carrier offers a practical and durable way to transport your gear without sacrificing truck space. Moving your tools from job to job can be hassle-free with the ToughBuilt StackTech 4-wheel cart. Designed to make transporting your StackTech toolboxes a breeze, this cart features heavy-duty swivel casters that glide smoothly through tight spaces, so you can easily move your gear wherever it's needed. For added stability, the front casters lock, keeping the cart securely in place during loading or unloading to prevent any accidental rolling. Plus, with built-in tie-down points, you can strap down your gear securely for extra peace of mind. The cart is made from tough, high-performance polymer, ensuring it holds up under heavy use day after day. Whether you're working in a tight space or need to move multiple stacks, this cart locks your StackTech toolboxes in place, providing a reliable, easy way to move your tools and equipment wherever the job takes you. If you need flexibility in moving heavy loads, the ToughBuilt StackTech Convertible hand truck delivers. It seamlessly switches from a standard hand truck to a 4-wheel cart, offering two effective ways to transport tools and equipment. In the 2-wheel mode, it handles up to 400 pounds, perfect for larger items, while in 4-wheel cart mode, it's designed to carry StackTech toolboxes, supporting up to 800 pounds. The 10-inch puncture-proof wheels absorb bumps and uneven terrain for a smoother ride, while the 4-inch swivel casters provide great control and maneuverability in the cart position. Its cast aluminum toe plate ensures the wheels are protected from direct contact with cargo, and the aluminum frame keeps it both light and durable. Whether you're on rough terrain or tight spaces, this hand truck offers the strength and adaptability you need to move your tools with ease. For a truly customizable tool setup, the ToughBuilt StackTech accessories have you covered. Whether you need to store long-handled tools like shovels or levels, the long tool holder makes it simple, with an adjustable design that holds everything securely in place. Plus, the quick release button makes adjustments easy. For keeping smaller items within reach, the ClipTech bar lets you add pouches and bins directly to your toolbox, making your workspace more efficient. Need to manage tape, towels, or cords? The roll holder and cord wrap keep everything organized and tangle-free, so you can focus on the job. And when it's time for a break, the Tumbler Plus cup holder is a great addition. It holds your drink securely, whether it's hot or cold, and attaches right to your toolbox or garage setup. With StackTech's smart accessories, you can create a perfectly organized workspace that works just the way you need it to. For a rugged and efficient way to transport and organize your tools, the ToughBuilt StackTech Mobile Organizer stands out as a versatile solution. It combines intuitive design with tough durability, making it a dependable choice for both pros and DIYers. Featuring self-aligning stacking and an auto-locking interface, this system ensures your toolboxes lock securely in place and stay put during transport. The clear lock indicator also gives you peace of mind, knowing your setup is secure. Designed for rough job site conditions, the 9-inch all-terrain wheels have been rigorously tested to handle anything from dirt to gravel. The armored steel corners add an extra layer of protection, while the IP65 water and dust resistance keeps your tools safe from the elements. With tool-free quick-release accessories and a center latch for easy, one-handed operation, accessing your tools is quick and hassle-free. Built to withstand tough environments, the StackTech Mobile Organizer ensures your tools are ready wherever the job takes you. For precision and durability, the ToughBuilt open-handle shears are built to handle a wide range of tasks. They're perfect for various tasks, whether you're tackling landscaping, flooring, roofing, or siding. The precision machined blades ensure you get a sharp, clean cut every time, while the serrated edge on the bottom blade grips materials firmly, making your cuts smoother and more controlled. These shears are built to last, featuring full-tang construction and a titanium blade coating that enhances durability. Plus, the spring-assisted mechanism has a handy sliding lock for safe storage when you're done. What really sets these shears apart is the comfort factor. The ergonomic bi-material soft-touch grips make them easy to hold, even during those longer projects. So, whether you're a pro or just getting started, these shears are ready to help you tackle your next job with ease. When you need a reliable cutting tool for HVAC and insulation work, the ToughBuilt Duct knife with sheath proves its worth. This versatile knife features a double-edged blade, with a fine edge for precision cuts and a serrated edge for tougher materials, making it perfect for tackling ductboard, flexible duct, and fiberglass insulation. This knife is all about durability. With a full steel tang, it's got the strength and control you need for every cut. The handle? Super comfy with a soft touch grip, so it feels good in your hand and won't slip while you work. It even comes with a heavy-duty sheath that has a belt clip, making it easy to grab and put away on the job. And don't forget about the tether loop, really handy for those busy work days. The ToughBuilt Duct knife is built to last, and it's backed by a lifetime warranty, so you can use it with confidence. Let's talk about the ToughBuilt 8-inch Tote Plus pouch. It's perfect for everyone, whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a pro on the job site. The best part? It's got this ClipTech technology that lets you swap out pouches easily. So, if you need to grab a tool quickly, just clip it onto your belt or the tote, and you're good to go. With a total of 31 pockets and loops, you won't have to worry about losing your tools. The external pockets are designed to flex, so your tools stay secure and won't fall out while you're moving around. Plus, there are internal dividers that help keep everything nice and tidy. This thing is built tough too. It has heavy-duty rivets and clawed rubber feet that can handle whatever you throw at it. Eliminate the hassle of searching for the right tool with the ToughBuilt Precision MultiBit driver. This handy tool comes with a professional-grade driver and 24 bits, so you'll be ready for just about any precision fastener out there. It's crafted from lightweight yet durable aluminum, making it easy to handle while still being strong. Each bit is black chrome-plated to resist rust, plus they're magnetized, which means no more losing screws while you work. The ball-bearing spinning end cap adds a nice touch, allowing for smooth control as you drive in those fasteners. The handle features a knurled pattern for a secure grip, even if your hands are a bit busy. And the spring-loaded case? Super convenient. Just press the button, and it pops open to show magnetic cradles that keep everything organized and secure. It even has easy red markings to help you find the right bit in a snap. With a lock-in-place feature to prevent accidental openings and a lifetime warranty backing it up, this multi-bit driver is built to last and keep you on track with your projects. Take a look at the ToughBuilt 6-piece precision screwdriver set, designed for tasks that require precision and a steady hand. Each screwdriver has a black chrome-plated steel shank that resists rust, giving you reliable performance for the long haul. The nickel-plated magnetic tips hold your screws in place, so no more frustrating drops. With heat-treated cores, these screwdrivers are built for durability and won't let you down. The longer shank offers better visibility and reach for those tight spots, and the color-coded markings help you quickly grab the right tool. Comfort matters too. The tri-panel ergonomic rubber handle gives you a solid grip, making it easier to control your movements. When you're done, just tuck them away in the soft case for safe storage and easy transport. This set includes Phillips and slotted screwdrivers in various sizes and comes with a lifetime warranty. Feel the difference in your workday with less recoil and reduced vibration. The ToughBuilt shock stop hammer is perfect for pros who need to perform at their best all day long. With its innovative shock stop technology, this hammer minimizes the impact you feel, allowing you to swing without fatigue. The precision-forged steel head ensures durability and delivers maximum power with every strike. Its enlarged face helps you hit your target consistently, while the magnetic nail starter makes placing nails a breeze. Whether you opt for the 24 ounces, milled face, or the 20 ounces. Smooth option, you'll enjoy a high-velocity design that concentrates weight for impressive impact. The rubber overmolded handle provides increased grip stability, making this hammer ready for any job you throw at it. Enjoy professional quality, all backed by a limited lifetime warranty. Experience strength and durability with every swing. The ToughBuilt engineering hammer is the perfect tool for your small-scale demolition projects, featuring a precision-forged tempered steel head and a reinforced neck that delivers serious power. It's lightweight yet strong, thanks to the fiberglass handle that helps reduce fatigue. You can strike repeatedly without feeling worn out. Plus, the rubber overmold minimizes vibrations, so your grip stays steady while you work. The unique cross-shaped design on the braking face directs the striking force exactly where you need it, making each hit count. With added overstrike protection, this hammer is built to last and ready to tackle tough tasks. And don't worry, it's backed by a limited lifetime warranty, so you can use it with confidence. Achieve precise leveling and layout with ease using the ToughBuilt 100 Crossline laser level. This handy tool projects bright green horizontal and vertical lines, making it perfect for all your leveling needs up to 100 feet. You'll appreciate the highly visible green laser that works well in various conditions. With self-leveling capabilities and an out-of-level indicator, you'll always know when you're right on target. Plus, the pendulum locks for safe transport and storage when it's not in use. Very easy to use with a simple single-button function. The rotating mount with quick-set attachment allows for easy adjustments, and the adjustable wall bracket lets you mount it on vertical surfaces without any hassle. Built tough for job sites, it has an IP54 rating for dust and water resistance. Batteries are included, and it's backed by a 3-year limited warranty. Level up your projects with the ToughBuilt Crossline Laser Level. When it comes to leveling and smoothing out your masonry work, the ToughBuilt Aluminum 48-in Mason's Level is the tool you can trust. Designed with professionals in mind, this sturdy level features a precision-milled aluminum frame that can tackle the toughest jobs in concrete, brick, and block work. But it's not just about strength. This level delivers exceptional accuracy of up to 0.029 degree. That's an incredible 0.0005 inches per inch. The wide frame profile adds extra stability, ensuring you get precise measurements every time. Plus, the beveled vial openings and rear side vial window provide a clear view from any angle, so you won't miss a thing. With impact-resistant vials recessed into the frame for added protection, this level is built to withstand the rigors of the job site. Shock-absorbing end caps and a powder-coated surface make for easy cleanup. Whether you're screeding, smoothing, or leveling, this tool is ready to handle it all with comfort and confidence. If you're looking for a reliable tool to make quick work of lumber, check out the ToughBuilt 24-in Handsaw. This saw is built for efficiency, featuring a high-carbon steel blade that measures 24 inches long. It has a special epoxy coating that cuts down on friction, so you can slice through wood without getting bogged down. What sets this handsaw apart? Its induction-hardened teeth stay sharp longer, ensuring you can tackle job after job without constantly needing to sharpen. The triple-edged tooth design is perfect for pushing debris away as you cut, making your work smoother and faster. Comfort is key when you're working. And the injection-molded ergonomic handle gives you a secure grip, helping you maintain control with ease. Plus, there's even a metal housing at the base to enhance stiffness. Need to mark your angles? The integrated ruler and preset 90, 45, and 30-degree angles make it super simple. And don't forget the onboard storage for your carpenter pencil, so you have everything you need right at your fingertips. Need a utility knife that keeps up with your demands? Check out the ToughBuilt Reload utility knife. Built from pro-grade materials, it features a unique mechanism that lets you change blades in a snap. You'll appreciate how easy it is. Just flick it after pushing a button to drop the old blade. It works like a firearm, with magazines that drop away effortlessly. When it's time for a new blade, press the mag release, and you're ready to load. Each magazine holds up to 15 blades, 5 in the auto-loading chamber, and 10 in storage. So, no more searching for replacements mid-job. A built-in indicator switch shows you which blade type is loaded, even without pulling the magazine out of your pocket. With durable aluminum and zinc construction, plus a grippy rubber coating, this knife is tough enough for any job while staying comfortable in your hand. It even comes with a 5-pack of universal blades and a 5-pack of hook blades to get you started. The ToughBuilt Reload utility knife ensures you're ready for any cutting task. That's a wrap on our journey through the 20 coolest tools that are on another level.
Thanks for watching our videos. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.